Across the country, retirees are watching rising costs and asking a hard question: can you really enjoy your golden years without running out of money? New research for 2026 reveals 10 U.S. cities where comfortable retirement is still possible, some with homes under $200,000 and health care far below the national average. But these hidden havens are not where you might expect. What makes them so affordable, and which ones deliver the peace of mind every retiree deserves? Gainesville, Florida stands out for retirees who want the warmth and lifestyle of the Sunshine State without the steep price tag of the coasts. Here, the cost of living falls below the national average, and housing remains accessible even as Florida's beach towns become less affordable each year. The presence of University of Florida Health, a major academic medical center, means specialized care is always nearby, a real comfort for anyone thinking ahead about medical needs. Gainesville's neighborhoods are quiet and tree-lined, shaped by a college town energy that brings cultural events and green spaces without the crowds or congestion of larger cities. While the Atlantic and Gulf beaches are not right outside your door, both are within about an hour's drive, offering options for day trips and weekend getaways. For many, this trade-off is worth it: lower home prices and daily expenses, with the Florida sun still shining most days. For those drawn to a cooler climate and the idea of peaceful lakefront living, Erie, Pennsylvania offers a different kind of affordability. Median home values here hover around $130,000, about 61% below the national average. Erie's suburbs are quiet, dotted with parks, and the city's direct access to Lake Erie brings natural beauty and recreation within easy reach. Low property taxes and a strong local healthcare system add to the appeal, making it possible for retirees to own a home outright or keep monthly costs well below what they would pay in larger metro areas. Winters can be snowy, but for many, the savings and the slower pace far outweigh the need for a heavier coat. Erie's affordability is not just about numbers. It is about the freedom to stretch retirement savings further without sacrificing access to care or a sense of community. Whether it is the year-round warmth of Gainesville or the lakeside calm of Erie, both cities show that comfort and security in retirement can come in very different packages. Each offers a unique balance of cost, climate, and healthcare. A reminder that affordable retirement is not one size fits all, but a choice shaped by what matters most to you. Davenport, Iowa stands as a quiet stronghold for retirees who value simplicity and deep savings. Here, the cost of living drops about 13% below the national average, a difference that shows up in every monthly bill. Rent for a one-bedroom apartment hovers around $1,150, and utilities remain among the lowest in the Midwest. Groceries average just $360 per month, making it possible to stretch a fixed income further than in most American cities. Davenport's neighborhoods are peaceful and well-kept, with a strong sense of safety and local pride. Medical care is reliable and accessible, with several clinics and hospitals serving the community. Winters bring cold weather, so retirees should plan for heating costs and winter gear. But many find the financial breathing room well worth it. Abilene, Texas offers a different kind of relief. Texas charges no state income tax, so every dollar of Social Security and retirement income stays in your pocket. Abilene's housing market is especially welcoming to retirees, with home prices well below the national average and plenty of affordable options for both buyers and renters. Safe, sunny neighborhoods line the city, and a warm climate means there is no need to budget for heavy winter heating. While property values have begun to rise in recent years, the combination of low housing costs and tax-free income still gives retirees a powerful advantage. It is a place where fixed-income households can enjoy genuine financial security, as long as they are comfortable with a car-dependent lifestyle in the region's hot, dry summers. Pueblo, Colorado rounds out this trio with the promise of the Colorado lifestyle without the price tag of Denver or Boulder. The city's cost of living sits about 9% below the national average, and median home values hover near $286,000, with many properties available for less. Pueblo's dry, sunny climate appeals to retirees who benefit from abundant sunshine and low humidity. Outdoor recreation is easy to find, with parks, rivers, and mountain views close at hand. Healthcare is accessible and affordable, and the city has taken steps to keep property taxes manageable for seniors. While the elevation and dry air can be a consideration for some, many retirees find Pueblo's small city pace and budget-friendly living make it an attractive alternative to pricier Colorado destinations. Together, these heartland cities reveal how tax policy, utility savings, and climate can combine to deliver real comfort on a retirement budget. Fargo, North Dakota sits near the top of the affordability spectrum for retirees who want both safety and savings. Rent for a one-bedroom averages around $960, and groceries come in at about $330 per month, numbers that keep monthly budgets under control. The city's reputation for safety is well-earned, with clean, well-kept neighborhoods and a sense of community that is hard to find in larger metros. Healthcare options are strong, anchored by Essentia Health and a network of regional hospitals. The main trade-off here is the winter. Temperatures can drop well below freezing, and snow is a regular part of life. For many, though, the financial benefits outweigh the challenge. Heating costs are manageable thanks to efficient municipal systems, and the city's organization means roads are cleared quickly. For those willing to embrace the cold, Fargo delivers security and savings in equal measure. Toledo, Ohio offers a different blend of value. The cost of living lands about 12% below the national average, making it one of the most affordable metro areas in the country. Rent for a one-bedroom sits around $980 to $1,300, and groceries average $340 a month. Quiet neighborhoods, green parks, and access to lakes create a low-stress lifestyle that appeals to those looking for peace without isolation. Medical care is both affordable and accessible, with several hospitals and clinics across the city. Winters can be harsh, and public transit is limited, so a car is often necessary. Still, for retirees who want the benefits of a city, cultural events, healthcare options, and recreation without the price tag, Toledo delivers a strong balance. Fort Smith, Arkansas stands out as one of the cheapest cities in America, especially for those focused on housing. Many homes are priced under $200,000 and property taxes are low, reducing monthly expenses even further. The climate is warm, so there's no need to budget for heavy winter heating. Safe, quiet neighborhoods and a relaxed pace of life make it easy to settle in. Healthcare is available locally, though retirees with specialized needs should check a provider options before moving. Public transportation is limited, so driving is a must. For retirees who want to eliminate financial pressure altogether, Fort Smith's combination of low home prices and low daily costs makes it possible to retire comfortably on even a modest fixed income. Knoxville, Tennessee stands as a near-perfect blend of affordability and lifestyle, earning its place as the runner-up on this list. Retirees here benefit from a median home value of $365,764, noticeably lower than Tennessee's bigger cities, while enjoying a mild climate and the scenic backdrop of the Smoky Mountains. Tennessee state tax policy means there is no state income tax, so every dollar from Social Security or retirement accounts stretches further. The city's healthcare system is robust, with multiple hospitals and specialty clinics serving a growing senior population. Many retirees find comfort in the area's balance. Housing costs are manageable, taxes are light, and the community is large enough to offer amenities without the congestion of a major metro. Knoxville's share of retirees continues to rise, creating a supportive environment for those seeking both activity and peace. For those who want a taste of the outdoors without sacrificing access to city services, Knoxville's parks, lakes, and greenways offer easy escapes just minutes from home. The combination of tax relief, strong health care, and a welcoming climate makes Knoxville a top choice for those looking to maximize both comfort and savings. But when it comes to the very best all-around value for retirees in 2026, Huntsville, Alabama takes the top spot. Here, the cost of living sits 5.8% below the national average, delivering real savings on everything from groceries to housing. The typical home value hovers around $283,000, making homeownership accessible even for those on modest budgets. Huntsville's no state income tax policy preserves retirement income, and property taxes remain among the lowest in the country. The city's hospital system is well regarded, supporting a community where nearly 1 in 5 residents is over 65. Safety, stability, and a strong retiree network define daily life. Warm weather and a culture of welcoming newcomers add to Huntsville's appeal, while city services and senior resources are tailored to the needs of an aging population. For retirees seeking peace of mind, financially and socially, Huntsville offers a rare combination of affordability, healthcare strength, and genuine community. It is this balance that sets Huntsville apart as the best overall city for comfortable, budget-friendly retirement in 2026. Right now, nearly half of Americans worry about outliving their savings. But affordable, welcoming cities still exist, and choosing wisely can be life-changing. These communities aren't just addresses, they're a path to peace of mind. Which city feels right for you? Share your thoughts in the comments.